Alright, so with this withdrawals on the screen, I'm just actually using this platform to appreciate every single one of us that actually traded, made profit, and placed withdrawal trading with the $15 Cato Prime no deposit bonus. And this right here is actually a big motivation to the rest of the members of the community to actually, give them the assurance that they can always get withdrawals if they trade and make profit with most of the bonus actually drop in the community. Now in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you'll be getting this right here on the screen, which is a free 10k profit account, which I've already claimed. And I'm trying my best to make this video straight to the point to make sure nobody miss out on this. Now I saw the update and I'm bringing it to you guys immediately I saw it. I'm bringing the update to you guys so you don't want to miss out. And firstly, what I want you guys to do, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, welcome back everyone. And actually the main YouTube channel actually got suspended for like a week, and we are back now, and I'll be dropping updates back to back, so you should expect more of updates like this so you don't want to miss out. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the subscription button. You can see how I did that, the subscription button, and give the video a like. So just click on the like button, on the like icon right here, and if after clicking on the subscription button, you just need to click on this right here that says turn on notification, so anytime I drop updates like this, you always get notified and you never miss out on any update I drop. So you get to see you get to meet with the bonus, and you get to trade with it. So in case you're having any aspect you don't understand, just leave a comment in the comment section, and I would always reply to every single comment as I used to do as usual. So in the comment section, the first link you'll find is this. You see a link that will actually take you to the Telegram channel, and once you click on it, in the Telegram channel is where you find the link that will take you to this platform right here. And like I said, I will try to be quick in order not to waste anyone's time. So I want everyone to actually get this bonus. So once you get to this platform, you can see the details showing in the site. So there's a lot of things you're actually going to ignore, so just go straight to the site right here, and the next thing you need to do is to scroll up, and you see something like this that says claim your free 10k account. Now you'll be getting this account without KYC, but for you to make withdrawals, you'd actually be needing KYC, and I feel I actually need to give you guys the terms and conditions, but you just need to pay attention to the end of this video, and then you'll be getting the terms and conditions. So once you click on claim 10k free account, you see it brought us right here, and you can see details section where you actually need to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, and you see right here it says password, and to where you actually need to add your password. And you can see this last one that says country. Now you need to fill in the country where you're actually registering from, and don't forget you click on this small box right here to agree to their terms and conditions. Now once the details have been filled, you just click on claim your 10k account, and automatically you'll be getting the free 10k account. But there are still other aspects of the site you need to be aware of, which is very, very important. Now firstly, once you log in into the site, immediately you click on claim the 10k account, you'll be logged in into the site. So next thing you need to do, you can see right here there's a promotion actually going on right now, which is actually you can win a free account with just 29 USD, but that's not why we are here. So all you need to do is to just go into the site and you scroll up more. You just need to ignore all these details shown right here, and then scroll up, and somewhere around below the bottom you'll be seeing the important details which you need. But firstly, go to your email to confirm that you've been sent a message in your email. Now in your email, what you'll be having, a message you'll be having in your email would show details just like this. You can see mine showing on the screen. This is what their message looks like. So you open it, and you should be having details just like this. Now this right here actually shows me that I've been given the 10k account, and in the email also there's a button where you actually click on, which should enable you to log in into the site. And in case you're having issues when you're trying to log in from here through the email, just create a new password, like click on forget password, and you'll be able to log in. Now right here in the site, back to the site right here, so you scroll up like I said earlier, and somewhere around the bottom, somewhere below, down, you'll see details just like this. We still haven't gotten there. I just need to scroll up a little bit more, and So scroll up. Now you can see it right here. This is the information we are actually needing, the details we need. This is it right here. Now you can see the 10k account in the balance. And what we need to do next, just click on these three lines at the top, these three lines, and in the option you'll see where it's the rows account. And once you click on account, you'd have details just like this. Now since we know we've gotten the free funded account, the next thing we need to do is to start trading. Now for you to start trading, you just need to click on this right here that says open terminal. You can see it right here. Click on this and you'll be directed to another page. Now this is what it looks like. You can either download this right here. This is Arizel, then A-Trader. You can either download it to your, add it as an app, or you can actually access it through your browser. So you can see the balance right there if you click on trade right here. So I'm sure a lot of us are actually aware, like we are familiar with this trading platform. So you see the balance right there. This is the 10k in the trading balance. Nobody should miss out on this. I want everyone to just go straight to claim this free funded account before it ends. So in case you actually have any aspects you don't understand about this, just leave a comment and I would try my best to actually help everyone to sort it out. And for the terms and conditions, I'm trying to actually get the exact details using ChatGPT, because firstly, let me just give you the ones available, because I haven't gotten the exact, like the profit target, the drawdowns and stuff like that. So but for the ones available right here, you can see trade at least 10 separate trading days. Like you must have at least 10 separate trading days. Now you must complete 10 individual trading days before your first withdrawal. And there are some cool aspects of this terms and conditions which I find interesting. Now for the first 3 payouts, there must also be 10 trading days before each withdrawal request, which means you can actually have more than one withdrawal. You can have more than one withdrawal. Secondly, I'm sure everyone is familiar with this. You need to complete KYC. And thirdly, a main account requirements. Your account must remain above the minimum balance required by the firm, which is what I'm actually going to be. I'll be dropping the rest of the updates in the Telegram channel for the drawdown and the profit target. So you can see right here, the fourth one says the profit split, which is 80-20. Now you just scroll up a little bit, you can see it right there. You receive 80% of the profit which you made, and the firm will be taking 20%. And the minimum withdrawal amount, which is $500. Now the minimum withdrawal is 500, which is it's similar to Join-Hex, which I actually made withdrawal from and I made video of. So in case anyone have any issues, any aspects you don't understand, reach out to me in my DM or leave a comment in the comment section. But most it's actually important. It's better if you actually reach out to me in my DM, because you get to chat and you get the full details explaining any aspects you don't understand. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and have a nice day, guys.